Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create engaging swipe interactions within Figma. We'll cover the essential steps to bring your designs to life with smooth, interactive movements. You'll learn to prepare your frames, implement the correct overflow settings, and then test your prototype for a seamless user experience. By the end, you'll be able to design compelling swipeable content, enhancing the interactivity of your Figma projects. Let's dive right in and master this valuable prototyping skill. First, let's prepare your design canvas. Begin by creating one main frame, which will serve as your viewport. Inside this main frame, place all the content you want to be swipeable, such as multiple cards or images. It's crucial that this inner content extends beyond the boundaries of your main frame, either horizontally or vertically, depending on your desired swipe direction. This overflow is what allows the swiping motion to occur, revealing hidden elements as users interact. Now, let's implement the actual swipe functionality. Select your main frame, the one containing all your overflowing content. Head over to the Prototype tab in the right-hand Properties panel. Under the Overflow Scrolling section, you'll find options. Choose either horizontal scrolling for side-to-side swiping or vertical scrolling for up and down movement. This setting tells Figma how to handle content that exceeds the frame's visible area, enabling the interactive swipe. Finally, it's time to test your creation and make any necessary adjustments. Click the Present button, usually located in the top right corner, to open your prototype. Now, try swiping your content to see how it feels. If the interaction isn't quite right, return to your design. You might need to adjust the size of your main frame, reposition your inner content, or even experiment with different overflow settings. Refine until your swipe interaction is perfectly smooth and intuitive for users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.